Welcome to BSc Statistics students. Meanwhile, when I'm teaching YouTube classes, somebody asked this question. Someone asked that give an example for and prove that with an example, sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean. Probably in the paper of sampling techniques and design of experiments. Now it is in semester 5 paper 5. So there if you do the practical problem, you can understand this. But anyhow, I am explaining with one particular example in simple random sampling without replacement case. I am proving sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean. I am considering these are the population values. As a simple problem I am considering. Population values, so I am considering 1, 2, 3. So therefore, n is equal to 3. Capital N is equal to 3. This here I write the population calculations. As for the notation of simple random sampling without replacement, which is going to be considered, the population values for which you have to calculate the population mean. Population mean. It is capital Y bar capital N. It is 1 by capital N summation I is equal to 1 to capital N yi. In which the formula, for example, consider yi 1, 2, 3 observations and summation I is equal to 1 to capital N yi becomes 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. This is what the value of summation yi. So it is equivalent to be 6 divided by total number of observations capital N, population values are 3. So hence it is simple value of 2. What is this? This is capital Y bar N. Now I have to calculate what is the expected value of sample mean. Expectation of Y bar N. How the sample mean is going to be considered as an unbiased estimate of the population mean, for which you have to prove that expectation of Y bar N. For sample values, what I am considering, this is expectation of small y bar N. So I am considering sample number. How many sample values you can consider? I explain. Sample number and sample values and then sample means, which means y bar I values. In simple random sampling without replacement, if you consider the number of possible samples, which will be capital NCN, the possible values are capital N. For example, if I consider small n is equal to 2, number of possible values, that is sample size is, if you consider 2, the number of possible samples for NCN is equal to 3C2. So 3C2 the value is 3. 3C2 the value is 3. So 3 possible samples, sample numbers 1, 2, 3. So that's all. What are those possible samples? You may get 1 and sample observations here, population values here, 1, 2, 3. What are possibility of getting 2, sample size of 2 into the sample? Maybe 1 and 2 with these are the possible values for first sample. Second sample, maybe 1 and 3. Third sample, 2 and 3. No replacement because without replacement. Whatever the selected unit, we should not replace into the population again. So therefore these are possible values of the samples. So now mean, what is the mean of 1 and 2? 1.5. 1 plus 2 divided by 2. 1 and 3, 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 and 3 is 2.5. 2 plus 3 by 2. Now this is what it is called. It is summation I is equal to 1 to NCN y bar I. You understand this? NCN is 3C2, that is 3. So it is nothing but total of this 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 plus 1 5 5 plus 0.5 0.5 6. This is what the value here. What is the expectation of y bar n? That is what the question. Sample mean is unbiased estimate of population mean. That is, we have to calculate expectation of y bar n. Capital Y bar n is already calculated. This is the value. What is the expectation of y bar in the formula? It is 1 by NCN summation I is equal to 1 to NCN y bar I. This is what the formula here is going to be considered. So answer is, what is NCN? It is the value 3, 1 by 3 multiplied by summation I is equal to 1 to NCN y bar I is 6. 6 by 3, it is 2. So which is equivalent to be capital Y bar n. So therefore expectation of small y bar n is equal to capital Y bar n. This is what one example. You can consider any value. Instead of 1, 2 and 3, consider 10, 15, 20. You consider and do it and you will get it. Similarly, any whatever the possible values of the population. Population has 10 values. You have this is only for the purpose of understanding the problem. We are taking simple value 1, 2, 3, etc. Whatever it is. You can do it with the help of this particular example. So this is one of the proof of the sample mean is unbiased estimate of the population mean. I am saying one such proof. For sample mean is unbiased estimate of population mean. This is one of the example. It is calculated. It is proved under the condition that whatever the population unit selected into the sample which was not replaced into the population gain. So this is what one such example. Hope you understand. Thank you.